Hey, I'm Alex, and this right here is the VOMIVO LED mirror. So what's special about this mirror? There are many things, but the best thing is just this. I think this is beautiful, elegant, and stylish. So I'm gonna tell you more about the mirror in a few seconds, but I also wanna show you what do you need for the installation as well, which is actually not super hard. But first you're gonna need help because this thing is heavy, and you need to make sure that you have either studs or the necessary material for installation in the drywall, like the one I did. And everything comes with the instructions manual that it's super easy to follow. Once that you follow the instructions on how to install this mirror, you're gonna need for sure a pencil, a stud finder, a centimeter. This is something that I'm going to tell you right now why you need this one. And if in my case you have a drywall, you're going to need this type of anchors. Last but not least, the usual for this type of installations. So this is why I think that the blue tape is definitely necessary, because it makes everything so much easier. You just take the exact measure of the mirror, put it up in vertical lines and then the horizontal line. And once that you put the first bracket, which comes with the leveling bubble, that's perfect. You just need to follow the second blue tape and just level it up with the other one you installed before. And again, the leveling bubble is crucial in this type of installation. So I'm super grateful that it came with that one included. And once that you have it there, you just like mount it back and you're ready to go. And one more thing, this mirror is prepared for two type of installation that I'm going to show you in a second. But if you can do it, you can cut a hole right here and route the cables all the way to the power outlet. So that way you're not going to have any cables showing outside of the mirror. So if you can do it, I recommend it, but I couldn't. So not my case. So now that we have it back in place, this one is 55 by 30 inches, but comes in 4 different sizes. So make sure to check them out based on your necessity. And it has 192 lumens, which is gonna give it a lifespan of 5,000 hours. That's enough, I think. And the color temperatures ranges from 6,000 Kelvin to 4,000 Kelvin to 3,000 Kelvin. And the whole mirror is made of a tempered glass, and in case of an emergency or an accident, it won't shatter into a million pieces, but instead it will break into non-sharp, tiny objects. But besides all the colors and the functions here, the thing that I like the most on this mirror is that since I didn't have the chance to actually make it whole and route the whole power to the outlet, you can actually just plug it into the wall and that's it. So you don't need any extra wire, no electrician if you don't know how to do it. It's just like easy as plugging it into the wall and that's it. So there's nothing bad that I can say about this mirror. I really like the 3 temperature colors and the functions it has. I would only say just make sure that you treat it with care when you're doing the installation, as well as taking the necessary precautions and the measurements and probably getting help, because again, this is a heavy mirror. But again, besides that, this is a perfect addition to my bathroom. It really changed how it was looking before. So I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna give it my thumbs up. I do recommend it, and I hope you like my review. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.